Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Photoscape X and selecting Editor for single images or batch when you have many. Import your photos by dragging them into the window or clicking Add. Once added, scan File Resolution and Color Profile so edits stay sharp. Make a duplicate layer or save a backup copy immediately. This protects your original. Once done, organize images into a folder and rename them so you can track versions. This saves time and prevents accidental overwrites later. You now follow a logical editing order. Crop and straighten to fix composition, then adjust exposure and white balance so tones are balanced. Next, remove distractions using healing or clone tools. Take small strokes and sample nearby pixels for natural results. Once the base is clean, refine contrast and color with curves and HSL, and apply selective adjustments with masks to protect highlights or shadows. Make incremental changes and toggle visibility frequently, so you finish by exporting with the right format, quality, and color space. Choose sRGB for web and TIFF or PNG for lossless needs. If working with many images, use Batch Convert and Batch Rename to apply size, format, and watermark consistently. Save presets for repeatable results. If you see color shifts or unexpected artifacts, make sure your export color profile matches your working space and verify monitor calibration. If needed, re-export with a different profile and compare to the original to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.